How to create a Douyin account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Douyin application. Now tap on the red button. Now give the permissions if you want to. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the country code. Now select your country. Now enter the phone number. Now select this option and tap on the red button. Now wait for some time. Now verify the captcha. Again wait for some time. Now enter the verification code and tap on the red button to create your account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.